Hello students, today I am going to teach you Grammar chapter 3rd, One and More Than One. Look at this picture. In the first picture, you can see one girl. She is only one in number. That's why we say girl. In another picture, two girls are there. How many girls? Two. These are two girls, means more than one. So, we say girls. S is added after the noun girl. When a noun tells us about one person, animal, place or thing, we say it is singular. For example, book, dish. When a noun tells us about two or more people, animals, places or things, we say it is plural. For example, books, dishes. Most nouns can be made plural by adding an s to the end. See students, a naming word that denotes one object is called a singular noun, and a naming word that denotes more than one object is called plural noun. Singular means only one. Singular means only one, and plural means more than one. Look at these pictures. One doll, three dolls, one pen, two pens, one balloon, three balloons, one bird, three birds. See, in the first column, singular nouns are given. All these are the singular nouns. In second column, plural nouns are given. Plural means more than one. All these nouns are more than one. That's why s is added after the noun. You can see here dolls. These are many dolls. That's why we say dolls. And s is also added. Pens. Pens are more than one. Balloons. Three balloons are there. These are many. Three birds. Three birds means more than one. Means plural. It's a plural form. Singular and plural. First column denotes singular nouns and second column denotes plural nouns. See, we add es after nouns ending in s, sh, ch and x. We add es after the noun which ends with s, sh, ch and x. See how. First is bus, bus, bus. This is a noun. Its last letter is s. So, you have to add es to make it plural. Bus, buses. Bench, benches. Es is added. Dish, dishes. Fox, foxes. Some nouns which end in f or fe have evs in the plural. See, some nouns having the last letter F or FE. So, you have to remove the letter F and FE and add VES. LIFE life, LIVES lives. See, LIFE, FE is removed and VES is added. LIVES lives, life lives, knife knives, calf calves, thief thieves, wife wives, leaf leaves. Nouns ending in consonant plus Y. Change the Y into IES. LADY lady. See, its last letter is Y. So, we have to remove Y. And instead of Y, we have to write IES. LADY lady में Y को रिमूव कर दिया, कैंसिल कर दिया और उसकी जगह पर IES लिया है. Lady is singular noun and ladies, it's a plural noun. Fly flies, baby babies, city cities. Now we will do one activity. Draw a circle around a singular noun, that means one. Mark a tick on a plural noun, that means more than one. Simply we have to circle the singular nouns and tick the plural nouns. Purse. Purse is a singular noun. It is only one in number. So, I circle this noun, purse. Tent. It's also singular noun. Medal. Singular or plural? Tell me. It's a singular noun. Cameras. S is added to camera. Cameras is plural noun. Dog. It's a singular noun. Scarf is singular. Trees. Many trees means many trees. So it's a plural. Robot. Singular noun. Swords. Plural noun. Why it is plural? Because S is added after the noun. Wolf. It's a singular noun. Tree. It is singular noun. Eggs. It's a plural noun. Tickets. It is also plural. Then candles. And cherry. Cherry is a singular noun. Do you understand? Yes. Let's start textual exercise of lesson third, one and more than one. Disha is going to the market with her mother. Look at her shopping list. Three apples, 4 spoons, 6 knives, 5 tomatoes, 3 toothbrushes, 4 bananas, 6 onions, 3 pencils. She is going to purchase these things. So what is this? This is Disha's shopping list. She has written some names of fruits and things which she wants to buy. So, whenever you will go for shopping, you should also prepare the shopping list. Count and write the number of items in the picture. See this picture. Many things are kept on this table. You have to count the similar things and mention the proper number before it. One box of cherries. See here, you can see one box of cherries is kept on the table. Then 5 cups. 5 cups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 cups are there. These cups are in different colors. 4 plates. Yes, 4 plates are there. 4 spoons. 4 forks. 4 knives. 12 glasses. A loaf of a bread. 2 bottles. 2 oranges. You can count these things. Next question. Underline the naming words in the poem and say whether they are one or more than one. For one, you have to write O, and for more than one, you have to write MO. Two little sisters went walking one day. Sisters. It's a plural noun. That's why MO is written. One day. Day. It's a singular noun. That's why write here O. Partly for exercise, partly for play. They took with them kites which they wanted to fly. They took with them kites. Kites. It's a plural noun. Plural means more than one. So write here MO. Won a big diamond. Diamond is only one in number. Means it is singular. So write O above it. Won a great butterfly. Butterfly is singular noun. So you should also write O. Then up in a moment the kites floated high. Again kites. It's a plural noun. That's why MO is written. Like birds, they seem to touch the sky. Birds and sky. These are plural nouns. That's why you should write MO. See question C. Change the words in bold to mean one of something. The kittens ran towards the gate. C. The nouns which are written in red color. These nouns you have to convert in singular. The kittens. It's a plural form. Its singular form is kitten. S is removed. The thieves put the jewels in the sack. Thieves. Thieves means chor. Thief. Thief means एक चोर और thieves means बहुत सारे चोर. The butterflies look beautiful. Butterflies. It's a plural form. Its singular form is butterfly. Butterfly means titli. Butterfly means titli and butterflies means titliya. I gave some milk to the puppies. Puppies. Its singular form is puppy. Puppy means कुत्ते का बच्चा. Put the toys in the boxes. Toys and boxes. Toys का singular form आएगा toy and boxes का box. Toy means खिलौना. The schools in the cities are closed. Schools, its singular form is school and cities. Its singular form is city. City means शहर and school means पाठशाला या फिर विद्यालय. Question D. Change the words in bold to mean more than one. The brush is used to scrub the floor. Here we have to convert the singular word in plural. Brush, it is a singular word, means it is only one. We have to convert it in plural. So, brushes is written here. It's a plural form. I fill water in the cup. Cup, cups. Our family is going on a picnic. Family is singular. Its plural form is families. Y is removed and IES is added. She plucks the flower from the bush. Flower, flowers. Bush, bushes. Jagan returns a storybook at the library. Storybook means only one storybook. Here, storybooks means more than one. The bird flew towards the tree. Bird. In plural we say birds. Tree, trees. Question E. Change the words in bold to mean more than one. The man is sitting on the bench. See students. रेड कलर में जो वर्ड्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं उन्हें हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. मीन्स मोर देन वन. अब मैन. मैन का प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है मेन. बेंच का प्लूरल फॉर्म बेंचेस. See students, the man, it is only one in number. That's why helping verb is used. But the main, these are more than one. That's why here we change the helping verb. We use here are because our noun is more than one in number. So the men are sitting on the benches. The child is playing with a ball. Instead of child, we have written children. And instead of ball, we have written balls. And helping verb is changed here. The children are playing with some balls. The goose is swimming in the pond. What is the meaning of goose? Goose means batak. It is swimming in the pond. Pond means talab. Goose, it is only one. Its plural form is geese. The geese are swimming in the ponds. There is a mouse in the house. Mouse means chuha. There are some mice in the houses. Mice, M-I-C-E, mice means बहुत सारे माइस, सॉरी बहुत सारे चूहे, जिसे हम कहेंगे माइस. एक ही अगर चूहा है तो उसे कहेंगे माउस. उसी प्रकार हाउस, हाउसेस. द वुल्फ अटैक्ड द ऑक्स. वुल्फ मीन्स भेड़िया एंड ऑक्स मीन्स बैल. वुल्फ का प्लूरल फॉर्म आएगा वोल्व्स एंड ऑक्स का ऑक्सेन. द वोल्व्स अटैक्ड द ऑक्सेन. द पुलिसमैन रैन आफ्टर द थीफ. The policeman ran after the thieves. So dear students, you have to do one activity. It's a simple activity. Look at this picture. Our body. In the bracket, I have given some body parts. You know, our body has many parts. I have written here some names of body parts. You have to divide these body parts in two columns. In first column, you have to write the body parts which are only 1 in number.